Sitting around the fire.
I have no choice.
Quartzsite. Sitting around the
I
fire.
have no choice.
Quartzsite.
Yeah, I had a cat that learned real quick.
Nice fire.
Pull the up.
All right, here we are in Quartzsite at the swap meet thing, whatever this is. All right, guys, this is legit the Quartzsite Jail. And in fact, Wyatt Earp and those guys would come over here from like Yuma to pick up prisoners and take them back. And this is where they had to be. It's kind of intense looking, actually. It's basically just a concrete enclosure. See if we can get a view in there. Yeah, kinda. You can kind of see. You can see it's got a window on that side and a window over on that side. A lot of glare back here. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. Legit Quartzsite Jail. I'm in back of Solar Bills, and the owner just told me about that. I had no idea. I thought it was just like a thing that they had put up. I noticed it when I was here. And here's what I came for. Isaac got a major upgrade today. 315 amp hours of lithium batteries, a 3,000 watt Victron Multiplus inverter, and 430 watts of solar on the roof. Woohoo! Boondocking, here I come. Here it is, the Escapees tractor trailer. Gonna be getting ready for the party on Plamosa. That's a pretty impressive looking rig. Just another beautiful sunset. This one's actually worthy of a 360. It really does go all the way around. Pretty cool, huh?
Well, the lower level. Okay, this room's room here, and the ladies' room is down at the bottom of the hill. Okay. Just kidding.
Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and always remember to sally forth, live your best life, go out and adventure in whatever way works for you.